You're looking at a pool liner that was punctured not once, not twice, but over 20 times, and the cause might surprise you. It wasn't vandalism, and it wasn't wear and tear. It was a very common household tool. Take a close look at these holes. Notice the shape, perfect half circles. That's the smoking gun. This shape tells us exactly what caused the damage. The metal edge of a vacuum pole used without a vacuum head attached. In this case, kids got hold of the vacuum pole. They didn't know any better. Maybe they were trying to retrieve a toy from the bottom, or using the pole to stand in the deep end. But every time that bare metal edge hits the liner, poke, it slices straight through the vinyl. And parents, don't get too comfortable. Adults do this all the time too. Here's a common scenario. You're vacuuming. The head pops off and sinks to the bottom. Your instinct is to use the pole to fish it out. That's a huge mistake. Trying to hook that heavy plastic piece almost always ends in stabbing the liner. And that mistake gets expensive fast. The good news is this liner was saved. We professionally patched every hole using proper vinyl liner material and boxer glue, which is designed for underwater repairs. If you're handy and want to do this yourself, I've left links to the exact materials I use in the description. If you suspect you have a pool leak but aren't sure where it's coming from, download my free ebook, How to Find Pool Leaks. The link is in the description. And if you're dealing with a massive tear, check out my other video where I show how I patch those. If this video saved you a headache or a repair bill, please subscribe and share it with anyone you know who has a pool and kids. If you have any questions related to pool leaks, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. I'm always happy to help. Thank you for watching, and God bless.